how to fix Snapchat save in chat option not showing. So if you want to fix Snapchat save in chat option is not showing, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Snapchat application. After that, take a snap. Now, once you have made the snap, just press the timer option. So go with the timer limit. And as you can see that if you've selected no limit, then the other person will be able to have an option of save in chat. But if the other person has sent you with these timers like 1 second, 2 seconds, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 until till 10. So if you receive the snaps till 10 seconds timer, then after 10 seconds or after 9 seconds, it will be vanished. Or you can only replay that, but you won't be able to save in chat. But in order to save in chat, you need to select no limit, this one. Once you've selected this, you need to go with send. Now, for example, I'll send it to myself. And after sending, if you open that snap, then you'll be able to have save in chat option, which is on the bottom right. So in this way, you'll be able to fix Snapchat save in chat option not showing. So you need to select no limit before sending the snap. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.